a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow,
Pivot,
there a
Pivot,
meow,
stop,
everywhere
stop.
a meow meow. Huh?
Pivot, why don't you sing something different?
Oh, something different? Okay. Old Burger King had a farm.
No, silly, a different animal.
But why would I want to pick a different animal? I love cats. Cats are the greatest. All the other animals are boring, with a quack quack here and a moo moo there.
Why don't you try singing about an animal you've never sang about before?
That sounds like a really good idea. Okay, here I go. And on this farm he had a giraffe, E-I-E-I-O, actually, I don't know what a giraffe sounds like. Oh, that's okay. I have another one. And on this farm he had an anteater, E-I-E-I-O, what do the anteaters sound like? I don't even think I've ever heard one.
How about another one?
And on this farm he had a zebra, E-I-E-I-O, oh man. Wow, this is trickier than I thought. Oh, I have one. And on this farm he had a peacock, E-I-E-I-O, with a peacock here and a peacock there.
No, that's not what a peacock sounds like.
I know, but I was trying to improvise, seeing I can't figure out these unique animal sounds.
Why don't we look up the actual sounds to see what they sound like?
Yeah, great choice.
Okay, let's search to see what a giraffe sounds like. Okay. Okay. Ah, there it is.
Go ahead and play it. I'm dying to hear what it sounds like.
Wouldn't it be more fun if we guessed before playing it?
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Okay, pick me.
Okay, Pivot, go ahead.
I think a giraffe sounds like...
That sounds like a pretty good rendition of what a giraffe might sound like. What about you, Pammy?
I think a giraffe sounds like...
Beep, beep.
I think a giraffe sounds like... Okay, is everyone ready to hear what a giraffe actually sounds like?
Ready?
Okay, here it is.
Wow, that sounds a lot different than I thought it would. I mean, for such a big, cool-looking animal, it kind of sounds plain.
Okay, then, let's pick the anteater. Maybe that will sound different. What's your rendition of what you think an anteater sounds like?
I think an anteater sounds like... because he's eating and eating and eating ants all day long.
What about you, Pammy?
I think an anteater sounds like...
That sounds kind of funny.
I thought it was a good one. I think an anteater sounds like... Is everyone ready to hear what an anteater sounds like?
Ready?
Here it goes.
Wow, that sounds totally different than I thought it would.
Yeah, what a unique sound. Sounds kind of weird. All right, is everyone ready to guess what a zebra sounds like?
Ready?
Okay, go ahead, Pivot.
I think a zebra sounds like neigh, neigh.
You sound like a horse with a Z on it.
Exactly, that's what they look like.
But actually, zebras are a lot different than horses. How about you, Pammy?
I think a zebra sounds like...
Okay, I think a zebra sounds like... Is everyone ready to hear what a zebra actually sounds like?
Ready?
Wow, now that's a funny sound.
It doesn't sound anything like a horse. I guess they are a lot different.
Okay, now let's search for the sound of a peacock. Got it. Okay, Pivot, what do you think a peacock sounds like?
I think a peacock goes.
That sounds like it might be accurate, but we'll have to see. What about you, Pammy?
I think a peacock sounds like...
That kind of sounds like an outer space peacock. And I think a peacock sounds like chapak, 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 chapak. Okay, is everyone ready to hear what a peacock actually sounds like?
Ready! Whoa!
Wow, that sounds so unique.
And kind of weird sounding, too. It almost sounds like a monkey and a hawk mixed together.
Wow, that was really fun. And informative. Some of those animals sounded completely different than I've imagined.
I know some of them sounded really cool, and other ones just sounded weird.
We should do this again. But next time we should invite some of our guests from home.
What a great idea! Hi, everyone! If you'd like to hear more funny animal sounds, then write your suggestions in the comment section below. And if it sounds cool enough, we may even play it in our next funny animal sounds video.